Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Whit back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how I created this pink soft glam look for my baby girl. And you guys, she's having a girl. I thought she was going to have a boy, but you know, we're going to accept whatever God gives us. So she's having a baby girl. We're so excited. So today, we didn't know exactly what she was having before I did the makeup. So this is the day of her gender reveal. And so I decided, well, no, she wanted to wear pink. So she's having like a pink eyeshadow. So I was like, okay, fine, cool, we're gonna do that. But I also threw in like a hint of blue in there. So yeah. So right now I'm going in with my Persuasion palette by Beauty by Melissa. And this is the shade Chocolat. And I'm just going in with this fluffy brush. And I'm just applying that into her crease. I'm not gonna lie. I love Beauty by Melissa's palette. I really love all the colors. So easy to apply, and they're pigmented, and I love it. So yeah, I'm just going in, tapping that in, and then here I am going in with P. Louise base in Canvas, and I'm just applying that right on top of her lid so that I'm able to apply that pink eyeshadow on there. But you guys, I'm gonna let you guys know where I've been. I went out of town. I thought I was gonna be able to show you guys like some clips of me in Tulum, but you guys, I don't even want to like. The videos are pointless. Let's just say that the videos are pointless. As soon as I got there to Tulum, well, actually it was Cancun. As soon as I got there, my phone started acting retarded. So like it was saying like it can't hold any storage. My phone was full. I couldn't record. I didn't want to bring my camera. I was afraid to bring my camera, but I brought my MacBook, which is I don't know. So yeah, so I brought my MacBook. Didn't want to bring my camera. So I thought like, okay, I could use my phone, whoop-de-woo. So use my phone, only could record a few clips that were pointless. I wasn't even able to show anything. So I deleted all the videos. I was so upset. I was just like, it was going to be like a nice video. I was going to show you guys everything. Didn't have time. Didn't have time to actually show you guys videos of what I bought from Shein, because I bought the clothes and then I never tried them on. Didn't have time to try them on because of I had to do my hair, I had to do my hair, my nails, my feet. I had to do so much, and my mom was going to be going out of town too, so it was too much going on. So I wasn't able to show you guys what I purchased or try them on, and I ended up trying my outfits on in Tulum, you guys. Like, I bought the clothes, never, like, I just looked at them and then I just packed everything, and I had to try it on in Tulum, and they all fit, but it's just like one of them, like the bra part, my breast is too big and it wasn't able to cover up my whole breast. So I was pretty bummed about that because I love that dress. It's so cute. But yeah, so that dress, and then the other one was just too much. I'm talking about skin was out. It was just like, yeah, I didn't even get to wear it. And then what is it? And then I had like I literally had two items that I really loved. It was two skirts. I love it. I love them. Oh, I took a few pictures, but it wasn't like, oh no, I did take a picture. I have to get that picture from my friend though. But we took some pictures on the boat. It was really nice. The trip was really nice. The resort we were at was really like nice. If if you guys want to know, like, if you guys want me to do a video on like where I went and the things that I did, price, all that, transportation. If you guys want to know as far as some stuff, I can show you guys a little bit of pictures or whatever I have, but it wasn't, you know, what I wanted. But if you guys want to know information, if you're going to Tulum or whatever, I can definitely make another video on that and just like explain to you like how things are over there and pricing and everything like that. But yep, so that's where I was. I was out of town. I will be going out of town again, hopefully. Hopefully, I'm not sure if I am, but hopefully, I think I'm gonna go out of town again. And this time, when I go out of town, you guys, I will make sure that I record and from like the outfits, everything that I wear, so I can show you guys, because I be ordering from Shein, guys. I order from Shein like it's no tomorrow. So like hopefully if I decide to go to this trip by next week, I'll know. But yeah, so if I do end up going, I will definitely be recording my time there. And this trip is in August, so we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted and let you guys know if I'm going or not. But yes, so back to this look. So as you guys know, I went in with her foundation, which was Marquise and New Caledonia. I mixed those two shades together to create her shade. I went in with Born This Way concealer in caramel, and also I went in with Milani and Pure Beige. Also, you guys, I've noticed that my friend, her neck has gotten darker due to pregnancy. So I did go in at the, like, after recording this video and kind of like applied some foundation so everything can match. But yes, her neck was getting darker, and I didn't realize that after like I was almost done with her makeup. I was like, whoa, like I did not realize how dark her neck had gotten. But yeah, so which is normal, because that's what happens when you're pregnant. But yes, we definitely went in and fixed that. Yeah, so right now I'm just blending out the concealer with my Real Technique setting brush, and I'm just blending all that out. She looks so pretty. Now I'm going in with some setting powder, you guys. I'm going in with Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent, and I'm using this damped beauty blender to set her highlighter, her concealer, I mean. But yes, you guys, I missed you guys. I'm ready to upload. I have a video that I'm working on right now, and then I have another one, and I will have another one again. So I'm trying to put these videos out so that my camera is not like I don't like to have like a lot of videos that I haven't worked on my camera. So I kind of like to get them out of the way and push them out. You guys, thank you so much. We at 438 subscribers. I know we're not going to be able to get to 500 by the end of the month, but I know it's already the end of the month, but I know for sure we'll be able to get there maybe like the first 2 weeks of May, or the beginning of, or the first week of May. Thank you guys so much for the support. You guys don't understand. I really appreciate the support. Hi to all my new subbies. I see you guys. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Oh my gosh, I can't wait till we get to 1,000 subscribers. Like when we get to 1,000 subscribers, everything has to change. I'm talking about Like, everything gotta change. I need to get me a new camera, even though this camera is really good. I love this camera, but I want to get a new camera. So I need to get a new camera. I just need to be showing out. I need to be doing, I don't know, story time. I need to take you guys, I need to vlog. I need to take you guys everywhere. But you guys, thank you for everything. You guys are amazing. So yes, so now I cream contoured with a beauty blender. Now I don't usually do this, but I end up doing it anyway, because I was trying to give her like a really soft look today, but I wanted her to be very, like, I wanted her to be beat. And then I went with Black Radiance in the medium dark palette, and I set that contour stick, which is by Black Opal in the shade Ebony. And then I went in with Laura Mercier and I kind of carved out her contour. Now we're going in with my favorite lip pencil by Morphe and Trendsetter. And I'm lining up her lips right now. And yes, that's what's going on. And sorry guys, I was getting a call. But here I am lining up her lips. And now I'm going in with, I believe this is Milani. No, it's not Milani. This Maybelline liquid lipstick. I forgot what shade this is. I'm not sure, you guys. But it's one of those pink lipsticks from Milani. The ones that everybody use. I think it's the Super Stay liquid lipstick. And I'm just taking that brush and I'm just tapping that onto her lips. And now I'm going in with some blush. Yes, this is so pretty. And then I decided to go in with some like shimmer pink eyeshadow, and I put it towards the tear duct just to give it, you know, like a little boom, a little spaz here and there or whatever. And then now I'm going in with C8 from MAC, and I'm using this angled brush and I'm just pressing that foundation shade into her skin. Yes, baby girl is cute. Look at her. Yes. She cute, child. She cute, child. She cute or whatever. And now I'm just going in and I'm just doing that for the rest of her face. Yes, and here I go with some gloss, and I'm just applying that right onto her where I lined up her lips, and then I bring it in towards the middle. This is so pretty. I love the lip combo I did. It's so pretty and natural. And now I'm going in with a black pencil, and I'm just going under the eye. And yes, you guys, I can't help it. I love it. Here I am going with my Tarte mascara, and I'm getting those bottom lashes. I also went in with some blue shimmer, and I placed that right underneath that pink shimmer eyeshadow. And this completes the look, you guys. I'm highlighting right now, and that's all. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stick around for the next video that's coming near you. And this is the complete look. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you guys for subscribing, all the love. And I will see you ladies and gents in the next video. Bye.